Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock cells in an Excel spreadsheet to protect them from accidental changes. So let's get right into it. Here, we have some data representing sales across different regions and products. Notice at the bottom and right, we have got total sales calculated by formulas. Our goal today is to make the cells containing sales data editable while locking the cells with formulas, total columns, and product names to prevent them from being edited. Here's how we will do it. First, let's lock all cells by default. Click in the top left hand corner to select the entire sheet. Right click, select Format Cells, and in the pop-up window, make sure the locked option is checked on the Protection tab. Then, click OK. Now, let's select the cells we want to remain editable. These are the sales data cells. Right click on the selected cells, choose Format Cells, and this time uncheck the locked option. Hit OK to make these cells editable. To activate the protection, head over to the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. You can set a password here for extra security, but I'll skip that for this demo. Just click OK to apply the protection. Let's test our protection setup. First, try editing any of the locked cells. As you can see, Excel won't allow changes, ensuring your important data remains secure. Now let's try editing the unlocked cells where the sales data is input. Here, you can freely modify the numbers. This allows flexibility where it's needed while keeping critical parts of your spreadsheet protected. And if you ever need to remove protection, simply go to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet. And that's it. Your essential data is secure and your editable cells are free for input. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.